Hey guys, welcome to BrinaCreations channel. My name is Ogi and I'm reaching you from Abuja, Nigeria. In today's video, we're making fried rice with frozen vegetables. So I have my chicken with seasoning cubes, salt, onions, curry, thyme, mixed spices, as well as my bay leaves. So I'm stirring to make sure everything is well combined. I'm going to allow this cook in its own juice before anything else. I'm adding extra water now to allow it to cook extra, to cook more, and I'm going to be tasting for any additions that I need to do, and adding salt here and seasoning powder. Yes guys, and I'm going to let this cook again for about 10 minutes and until it's well done. So while it's cooking, I'm preparing my oven and then my parchment paper and all of that so that I can grill this in my oven because I don't want to fry it. And I have my hot water to cook my rice. I prefer to parboil my rice. For some reason I feel it's always better. And with parboil now, I'm going to transfer the meat stock into this water that I'm going to let to cook, and I'm going to also add my other seasoning into this. The idea is to get the color as rich as I want. I've added in here thyme, salt and curry powder. If you want your fried rice to be on the greenish side, you want to use some green onions. I've added onions into this mixture. You can blend it if you like. You're going to use onions mixture and then green bell peppers is going to help you make it come out rich in that color. So I've added my rice now and I've cooked it. It's halfway done. What you want to get here is not something that is well cooked, but you want it to be just cooked enough so that the rice can be well cooked by the steam which you have after you've already finish frying all the vegetables, and I will show you how that is done. So here I don't want it to get burnt and neither do I want it to get too cooked, so I'm just straining it. And I have my oil in my pot which I'm going to be adding my sausages. You can also use liver if you want. Yeah, liver is another option. You can fry that. So I'm frying this to let it cook well, and I'm adding my onions, and I'm going to allow my onions cook also until it's translucent, after which I add my curry my garlic and ginger paste and curry powder, thyme, and stir well to enhance the flavor. I'm adding my carrots, raw one I had left over that I'm chopping inside. I'm tipping it, and then my frozen green beans and carrots. Yes, I blanched this. If you don't know how to blanch, you want to subscribe, and then I will teach you how to go about that. I've added my seasoning cubes, salt and pepper and crayfish mix. Yes, I used to put crayfish inside my fried rice. Yes guys, and I also have my frozen bell peppers, all colors combined. Yes, freezing makes it easy for me because I have a full-time job and it's not always easy to have these things readily available. Yes, if you have good storage, it's going to be good. I'm adding my sweet corn also, and this completes the vegetables I'm going to be adding to this fried rice recipe. And then when I've added all my spices and everything, I'm sure that it is well cooked and well combined. I'm adding in my boiled rice, and all I need to do at this stage is just stir well until they are completely mixed, and then I'm going to allow it steam on a low heat until the rice completely gets cooked. Remember I told you that the rice didn't need to get completely cooked at that time. When I strained it. So this is so that your rice doesn't get soggy. You can also wash your rice until the white water is clear instead of parboiling it. That's an option, but for me, I prefer to parboil. And so I'm going to make here my sauce for the chicken. I have my white onions, ginger, garlic, and I'm going to be adding my crayfish and pepper mix into this combo, and my paprika. Yes, because I don't have any tomatoes or peppers, any other peppers available at home. And then I've added water to loosen it up. My curry powder, thyme, and then my seasoning powder is all inside. Then some salt. That's all I need to make this happen. You can always add some more water or stock if you want it to be a little bit loose, but I prefer it this way, at least for this particular recipe. You're happy me in the kitchen? Say cheese. Hey, say cheese. Come and say hi. Come and say hi. I've been doing a lot of cooking. It's not only fried rice I'm cooking. So I have here other things that I'm cooking for the week. Yeah, I have my pepper soup. We're gonna be downing this after we cook our rice, probably for dinner, because I want to have something light. And this is my cooked beef. Yes, and then my ogbono soup that I've cooked. Yes, and then I have my fried rice that we're gonna be downing up right about now, and then my chicken with the sauce. Yes, that is I make videos on healthy living, budgeting, and how to achieve all of these without having to break your pocket. I share great recipes also. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you enjoyed this video by giving me a thumbs up, and then drop your comments below. Share this video with your friends and subscribe if you have not yet already subscribed. I'll be glad to see you in another video. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more.